How to use a hook in Terraria. So first is equip your hook from your inventory. So click on it and place it on your equipments right here on the right side. The hook is at the very bottom. So just basically place it right there. And once you have it, to actually use the hook is you'd want to press letter E on your keyboard and it will automatically pull up the hook just like that. So if you want to aim it, it just follows the direction of your cursor. So as you can see right there, I have my cursor right here and it will just basically follow wherever I am pointing at. So just press letter E on your keyboard and it will fire out instantly and latch firmly onto any surface that you're pointing to. But just do note that there are ranges depending on what hook you are using. So some hooks are just very short on their range and others have a very long reach. So for my hook, I am using the hook of dissonance, so it teleports me to the location of the hook. So there are many other hooks you could choose from. So we have the lunar hook. So let's try to use this. So as you can see, you can have multiple hooks at the same time, just like that. But personally, I like to use the hook of dissonance since it teleports me to the location of my hook, which is pretty fancy and looks very cool. So you could use hooks to basically move faster through caves, tunnels, and basically your own builds. And that's how you use a hook in Terraria.